Instagram just confirmed that end-to-end encryption on Instagram is ending on May 8, and it will no longer be available for some users. Well, if end-to-end encryption is no longer available on Instagram, your messages would become less private and more accessible to Instagram systems. Here's what that could mean. Instagram could technically access the contents of your chats. Messages could be scanned more easily for moderation, ads, personalization, spam detection, or policy enforcement. If a data breach happened, unencrypted messages would generally be more vulnerable. Law enforcement requests could potentially access more message content through Meta. Features like disappearing messages or encrypted backups may stop working or become limited. So here's how you can download end-to-end encrypted chats before it gets removed by Meta AI. First thing first, head over to Instagram and make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once logged in, move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're inside Settings and Activity of Instagram, you need to click on Account Center at the very top. Head over to your information and permissions. Move into Export your information. Wait for a while for it to load. Now click on Create Export, and then click on Export to Device. Tap on Customize Information. In this section, you have to deselect all of these and then only select messages. After that, click on Clear All for all of these categories. Do the same process for all the informations. Once you have cleared all and only selected messages, you have to click on Save. Now choose Notify. Enter the email address in which you want to receive your files. Once you have entered, now select Date Range. You have to select all time and then tap on Save. After that, click on Format. Here you have to choose HTML and then tap on Save. Once done, choose the media quality. Once selected, tap on Save. After that, click on Start Export at the bottom of the screen. It will start to download all of your messages informations. It might take 2 to 3 hours for you to receive the mail on your email address that you have selected. Once you receive the mail, you will be able to view all of the end-to-end encrypted chats. You can simply download it on your device and keep it stored. So these are the process you need to do in order for you to not lose all of the information of Instagram. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.